Cough on me, sir, huh?
Well, I'm asking you if you don't need a mask. You don't
I'm
have
actually
to.
unafraid of the virus. You can cough anywhere you want, but that'd be very impolite to just cough on somebody.
I just by virtue of talking, you come even closer.
That's just a very strange thing to come up and offer to cough on somebody.
Well, just come on over closer.
You
That's
seem
rude, right?
kind of
You
rude.
don't need a mask, right?
I think you're a dangerous person.
Yeah, you don't need a mask, right?
I definitely don't need a mask. Do you need a mask? I see you don't have a mask
Oh, I
on.
need a mask. I'm
Dr.
vaccinated.
Fauci says wear 2 masks. Why don't you have 2 masks on?
I'm vaccinated, but I need a mask for your protection.
No,
dude.
they say even after the vaccination you need to wear those masks.
For your protection, dude.
I don't need protection.
You're getting it right now. Good
I
luck.
have no coronavirus.
Good luck.
Yeah, you're a weird dude. What a weird dude.